There's this paper called Medagem Bench, the original benchmark for testing AI agents on medical data. And then in November 2025, MIT and Verily published FearAgent Bench, building on it. They tested every major AI model on real clinical questions over hospital data. Look at this. Single-turn models all stuck between 33 and 39%. Even with multi-turn reasoning plus code execution, the absolute best score is 50%. That's a coin flip. Now this one. Nature Advanced Multimodal AI Pipeline for Clinical Trial Patient Matching. They admitted upfront text-only models failed. 3 reasons: limited reasoning, information loss from images, and no ear integration. And here's why it matters. Pre-screening eats 60% of recruitment effort. 50 minutes per patient. 7 hours to find one eligible patient for a phase 3 trial. So they built the best possible system: multimodal, vision-enabled reasoning models. 93% on a public benchmark. 87% in the real world. Still not enough. Even with multimodal AI, you can't get full accuracy finding a perfect match. That's why I built Trial Nexus, combining multimodal embeddings with an AI SQL Guardian. Explainable, auditable. Let me show you. This is the full picture of Trial Nexus. Everything runs on a single Vultr VM backend, frontend, and vector database, all deployed together using Docker Compose. The platform splits into 2 sides. On the left, patient intake, where we find and verify clinical trial candidates. On the right, commercial intelligence, where we analyze market data for pharma teams. Both sides work independently but share the same AI infrastructure underneath. Phase 1 is multimodal patient search. A clinician uploads MRI brain scans, clinical notes, lab results, and demographic data. Google Gemini converts both the image and the text together into a single 768-dimensional vector, capturing the full clinical patient search. Our self-hosted vector database running on Vultr. When a clinician asks a natural language question like find patients aged 18 to 75 with glioblastoma grade 4, we run an NN semantic search and return the top matched patients in seconds. Phase 2 takes those matched patients and verifies each one through our SQL eligibility gate. Google Gemini reads the trial protocol rules and transforms the natural language criteria into a precise SQL query that executes against our patient's database. Look at this example patient: A passes. Tumor grade IV, MGMT methylated. Age 50, all criteria confirmed. Patient B is excluded. MGMT status is unmethylated, protocol mismatch. And critically, Gemini explains exactly why in plain English. No black box. Every decision is auditable and traceable. The second side of Trial Nexus is commercial intelligence built for pharma marketing and research teams. Before this, analyzing a drug's market performance meant weeks of scattered manual research across competitor reports, pricing data, and prescribing trends. We replace that with a 3-agent pipeline. The external source agent pulls live market signals via Tavily AI competitor activity, Cole signals, pricing news. The internal source agent pulls proprietary trial records from our Elasticsearch vector database. Both feed into the report generator agent, powered by Featherless AI running Schwen 2, 572B, which synthesizes everything into a downloadable executive report streamed in real time, ready in seconds. We start with the portfolio health overview, a real-time map showing how every trial is performing across every use site. Green is healthy, orange is moderate, red is at risk. Everything you need in one view. From here we click into My Trials. Every assigned study shows cost per patient, enrollment rate, retention, and dropout rate. NBMBM is flagged at risk. NBM Phase 3, high risk. Enrollment is falling, dropout is rising, and we're behind plan. This trial needs eligible patients now, so let's go find them. This is where Trial Nexus is different. Instead of typing filters into a form, we upload a real MRI scan directly and combine it with a natural language query. We're not just searching text, we're searching with the image itself. The multimodal embedding understands both together scan plus criteria and finds patients with similar cases. That's the power of multimodal search. This is Phase 1. The clinician opens the scan directly, reviews the MRI, checks the doctor's notes, and verifies the patient is clinically eligible for the trial. No switching between systems, no manual chart pulling. Everything needed to confirm eligibility is right here in one view. Watch this. The AI agent pipeline runs Agent 1 translates the trial protocol into precise SQL queries. Every exclusion rule, every lab threshold, every time constraint converted into deterministic code. No guessing. Out of 3 patients, 2 are immediately disqualified lab fail. Brain MRI 0 to 8 passes. 90% qualified, high confidence. 0 exclusion violations. 7 rules past age within range. No prior chemotherapy. No anticoagulant use. No cardiac history. Every criterion verified. Powered by Google Gemini. This is not a prediction, this is a proof. Now the commercial side. This map shows drug performance across every U.S. market, coverage efficiency at 94%, prescription lift at 81%. The pharma team selects their role: researcher, brand team, field team, and asks a question. We click Analyze Competitor Context. Instantly, 2 agents run in parallel, one pulling live market signals via Tavily AI across the web, one pulling internal trial data from our vector database. Both feed into the report generator powered by Featherless AI and Schwen 2. 572b. The result: a full commercial intelligence report. Executive summary, market signal analysis, regional insights, competitive landscape. New York showing negative sentiment, Ohio competitors gaining market share, California positive. Everything a pharma team needs, generated in seconds, not weeks. That's Trial Nexus. Thank you for watching.